still got 3, 6.5. 13, 11 on the clock. Now 13, 11 trying to get it to go one more time. Everybody else, the 01, Tyler's still running. In the 999, Brian. In the number 64, Billy. In the number 17, Brandon. Up there in the 182, Ray. We still got 5 or 6 running right here out of our original 7. Hold on, 17. Once again, here comes number 64. Put a front end of that thing right in right there. Out here, 99.9 with a problem. Doesn't realize he's only got one wheel on one tire on the front end. And that number 64,